The MF-2516P is a gantry machining center optimized for the mold industry while balancing product efficiency. It features an integrated base design. The casting includes a built-in double spiral chip removal system. The X-axis cover is fully supported by the casting throughout its entire travel, effectively preventing accuracy changes due to the cover's weight. The column and beam are manufactured as a single casting. The Y-axis is designed with 3 guide rails to ensure high rigidity and cutting efficiency during rough machining. The Z-axis spindle housing uses a 4-guide rail design for increased stability and precision. Standard features include nitrogen counterweights. The BT50 direct drive spindle minimizes vibration, ensuring a high surface finish and consistent texture on molded parts. The Y-axis has an oversized travel, allowing tool changes without encroaching on the machining area. The sheet metal exterior design is simple and aesthetically pleasing. 3-axis travel, 2500x 1700x 800 mm, suitable for general applications in the mold and parts manufacturing industries.